two situations. One is you have some kind of financial problems like most of people do, and then you are also into astrology. So why not to help ourselves with this tool? I'm studying Vedic astrology under guidance more than 20 years, and I've also finished the major courses like Parashara and Jaimini course, and I'm getting many charts through Indra constellation. Also, I'm studying the famous people's chart. So I have seen already many tricks, so in this video I will show the most effective ones. And as usual, we are not only giving nice aesthetic theory, but we are checking this on the charts to see how this is working. So first we will start with the lordship, then we will add two more to confirm it's about the wealth, and then we will add some modifiers to see identity theft, how to win the case, and also get the big wealth. So let's roll the intro and start to investigate. First is just easy. We have to find the lordship yogas in the Rasi chart. So most of you will do that properly. But let's first see our three protagonists. Don Johnson was fighting for the compensation from the Nash Bridges series because he had 50% of the rights. So why not to get 50% of a gain of the income? He was not gaining it, and so he sued the series, the producers, and he got the big compensation. So in his chart, you will see that 10th Lord is in the 6th house. Also the 5th Lord, not many people know this, but 5th and 9th are also very important for wealth. This is in the 6th house. 3rd and 6th are related to fights. Now, two other ones are related very much to image and also to the identity theft. Tom Waits, this is very interesting because someone didn't use his voice directly, but it was like a mimic of his voice, which all people were thinking, yes, that's the Tom Waits speaking. This was rated for the free-to-lay, and he got $75,000 of compensation. And this was also interesting because from this case, such situations were also falling into the legal problem. And then we have the last one, Michael Jordan in 2009, Dominic Finer Foods. They were praising him in the article, but also close to that was a stack advertisement, and they connected these two, which Michael Jordan didn't really like. And he got the biggest compensation because it was almost $9 million. So imagine what is going in the chart. It has to buzz there. So in Johnson's chart, we have 10th Lord in the 6th house. In the Waits chart, we have 2nd Lord in the 3rd house. In Michael Jordan, we have 2nd Lord in the 6th. So you see, 3rd and 6th is all related to the legal case, and we have those wealth indicators. We have those wealth indicators 2nd, 11th, 5th, and 9th. So in this video, we are specifically talking about the legal problem, but you may apply it to all other things. Now, during this process, you will meet the biggest demon. What is the demon? It is the ambiguity in the prediction, which is coming from the fact that one house is giving many things. Like, for example, the 3rd house may also show the younger sibling. The 5th house may show your child. And 11 can be about the friends. And to predict something about the wealth, you are looking at the yoga. And this is important because if you find the yoga, then you are talking about the advices, about timing, about remedies, and also which other plants are helping this, which again can be used for other tips and the timing. But because you didn't use these two rules, you are not sure that you are talking about the wealth looking at that specific planet. Because there are two dimensions. There is like longitude and latitude. To pinpoint the city in the map, you need these two. Like longitude is not enough. You will have many cities in that one line. So one answer is Karaka, the other is different. What Karaka to use? You will think Mercury, but Mercury is only giving that rajas, that desire to earn wealth. The real thing is 4th Lord from the Sun. In all those three cases, it is related to the yoga. So in Jordan case, we have 4th Lord from Sun related to that 2nd Lord in the 6th. In the Waits chart, we have Saturn, which is with 6th Lord. And in the Johnson chart, we have 4th Lord from Sun related to that Venus in the 6th house. So now we know we are talking about the wealth. This is one level. Why this is not enough? Because many people will be born with that sun in the specific sign for whole month. Of course, the ascendant will be changing, but if you have, for example, people in the same ascendant, all of them will fulfill this prediction. Therefore, we need something more sensitive to time, because if something is more and more sensitive to time, like you have more Vargas, like probably D60 will be the most sensitive, then it will show the most detail in the chart. Maybe we should check all the details with the D60. Now, the biggest letdown about the chart of wealth, because in Vedic astrology, we have the additional specific charts, and they are created from dividing the sign or house in the equal portions. Like, for example, if you want to see chart related to work, house of work 10, you divide sign or house into 10 parts, then you are putting the planets in the specific places based on these 10 parts, and you have independent additional Dashamsa chart, which is about career life. For finances, it would be great if you would have that chart, because the default it is called Hora chart, the second, it's not about the wealth. It is how about the resources, about the sun and moon archetypes. So if you are not in a specific tradition which has the D2 wealth chart, then you cannot confirm beyond the karaka what is going on in the chart regarding wealth. And then your astrology is reduced to the pop astrology, which you can only inspire people with, but you cannot give a tips because the level of detail is too low. Now, in the software related to our tradition, like Jagannath Hora or Deva Guru, you will find something like Kashinath Hora, and this is a special gift from our tradition. This is a special D2 chart, which is about the second house, but related to the wealth. So in this chart, you may confirm what is there in the Rasi. Now, if you will go through all these three charts, you will find connection to 6th and 8th, which is very interesting because 6 is about the legal cases and 8 is about other people's wealth. Finally, after winning the case, you need to take those wealth from other person or other party. For example, in Jordan case, it all happened in Sagittarius. Sagittarius is between this 5th lord in the 7th house. So it's like Trikuta yoga, or I call it a hugging yoga, right? So we have a 7th house, the time when he's winning the case. It was also there, and it is giving that indication. Now for Don Johnson, we have the 2nd and 8th. Parivartana. And exactly when the 8th house got activated, it was around the Mercury, about the Ketu, about Rahu. There were many cases in his chart. If you will study his chart, for example, he also paid off the foreclosure property case in that time when that 8th house got activated. This was also repeated in the 4th chart of property and so on. So you may study this also. But in this case, the 8th house was activated. The Ascendant Lord is also in the 8th. So he will have a situations life, many situations life, when he will double, he will get finances from situations like this, like other party. And because it's related to 6th house, it is also related to legal case. So we have confirmation in this, the 2nd chart. By the way, if you'd like to have your chart analyzed like this when we are going through all these steps, then you may find the link in the description. And in those scenarios, you have to, of course, win the case. So most of astrologers would see, oh, is the planet is having enough Shadbala, or is it strong enough? Is it really powerful? Some will compare the Ascendant Lord and 6th Lord. But when there is a conflict between tools which are quantity-based and there is one which is quality-based, like yogas, you will always be better off with the quality-based. So let's look for the yogas. And we have again a special chart, D6, which is showing things like dealing with the enemies, which legal cases are falling into this category. And the 7th house is about winning because it's the 2nd from 6th house. What is the principle? We are looking for the 7th house related to the D6 chart. For example, in the Michael Jordan case, he won that case in that moon Antardasha. Moon is in the 7th. For Don Johnson, it was also 7th house Dasha because it was Venus. Venus is in the 7th. So this is incredible how it is even possible if you think about it, how the Rishi had created that map that if you are dividing some part of the sphere into the 6 parts and then you are creating another chart from the 6 parts, this is telling something about you winning, about your karma of winning or losing. This is crazy if you think about it. And if you are working with those layers of Vargas, the best dasha will be these, which will connect all of these layers, which can pierce through all of them, like in the Kashinath, Navamsha, and now D6, right? Is that legal case is giving now money, you need to connect to the other Vargas. So Audaika and Narayana dasha are best for this. If you want to learn these, then you can also find the link in the description for the courses. Okay, so that's the main one, right? The lordship is giving you the base. If you imply Karaka, this will make you 2 times better. If you will add the Vargas, it will make you again 2 times better. So you have 4 times better prediction. It may be still small. It may not give you the detail or the clarity enough for you, but still you are at the best place. Everything else is worse. And if you study these court cases, you see that there is some discrepancy between when you won the case and also when you got the money. So this is also important to see when you got the money, especially if it's big one, it should activate some special point. Now, other astrologers will see the 2nd lord in 5th or 5th lord in 11, all those Dana yogas in the Rasi chart. Sometimes it is showing just that someone is going to casino, right? If you see someone is going to the place of wealth, right, casino or the bank, it doesn't mean that he is taking the money with him. He has to have that glow on his face. So which planet is having that glow? For this, we have a special point, and those who are here on this channel for some time know that this is 10th in the Navamsha. So when those people won those cases, this point was also activated. For example, we have Moon in 10th, that was activated in the Moon Antardasha when the person got the big wealth. For other, it was Jupiter activated Pisces in the Rasi Dasha, so also that was the time of the compensation. Now let's add few modifiers. The first one, identity theft. most people will see, oh, this is Aruda, it's about the image, right? So Saturn, Ketu, some bad guys. Their dashas will be bad when it's on Aruda. This is funny how many people are scared of these malefic dashas, and then after it's gone, they see it, wow, that was the best part of my life. Because the malefic dasha has nothing to do with bad scenario. It may be very good for you. Have you noticed that for all of these three cases, 7 from the 6th lord is somehow connected to the ascendant? In the Jordan case, 6th lord from 7 has this 1st lord Mercury. In the Wade, 6th lord from the Mars is Aquarius loaded by Saturn. Saturn is again with 1st lord Mars. For the Johnson, 7 from 6th lord is Aquarius. Again, Lord of Aquarius is in the ascendant. In the Gendash chart, Lagna is in 7 from 6th lord. So don't take my work. Find your own way, guys. The second modifier is about catching the wealth. There is something which is called by Pandit Sanayrat about runaway yoga. Beautiful teaching. When the Lord is going to the 7th from its house, you are losing that, or that thing is going away. Even that person may go away. For example, in Don John's case, we see 11th Lord in the 5th. So the income, the award or the gains or something he should get, this is going away. So I have found there are 2 rules which is showing that you are catching that. For example, in my case, you can see 2nd Lord is in the 8th. It's the moon. But Ascendant Lord Mercury is in the Hasta Nakshatra Lord by moon, is in Trikona to the moon and has moon Parivartana in the Navamsha. So I'm catching it, or at least part of it, before it totally goes away. Similarly here, you will notice that in Don Johnson's chart that Mercury is joining the Lagna Lord. So Lagna Lord is catching that, what ought to be lost. Now we will use the same chart in the D2nd. You will see 2nd and 8th. There is Parivartana or exchange between Rahu and Ketu. This is very nice example of Rahu and Ketu having Parivartana, because many people are asking, do they have Parivartana? Yes, they have. This is the example. Otherwise, he would lose wealth, but because there is Parivartana, there is the going back to the status quo. So the second rule is the Parivartana. So there are 2 indications. One, when Ascendant Lord is joining the planet of runaway yoga. Second, involvement in Parivartana may show going back to the previous position. And of course, there are people who say, oh, it is all karma. If it had to be gone, then it's gone. I cannot do anything about it. I will not fight against karma. Probably in the past life, I stole something from someone, so now I just had to repay it. So it is like situation quite passive, could be spiritual. This is related to one point in chart, which is having benefics. So in all of these cases where people are fighting, no, I should get this compensation. So these people are having malefics, and not only that, the Lord of that is also connected to that fall yoga. So what is the point? This is the 11th from the moon. How your mind is thinking about what you should get. So in the Wade's chart, we have Aries, which is also with the Saturn. The Johnson's 11th from moon is also 6th Lord Saturn. Then Jordan is related to the Rahu, and there is this Mars moon Parivartana. So the more examples you know, the less blunders you will do, because you will have more practice. So if you want to have more examples, then please consider watching this one.